this video, I'm going to show you how to replace or just tighten your Volkswagen Type 1 engine belt. So you need to replace it if it's looking frayed or anything, or it's super stretched out. But if it's just stretching out a little, you can always just tighten it up. So you just want to make sure that you cannot turn it more than about this. So that is about good, and you don't want more leeway than about here, but this is about good. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you need to put so there is a slot on the top of your generator pulley that you just stick a screwdriver in, and you can block it off with that, and it will prevent it from spinning. And now, yep, there we go. It will let me loosen it. It was very loose, but because I already loosened it some for the video. So you have your nut, you have this, then also you have your shims. Don't throw these away. Don't put them in the garage or in your toolbox, in the car, in the glove box. Make sure to keep them here. Make sure you keep them there. Then you have the plate and then the belt. So if the belt is frayed or it's just in bad condition, make sure you get a new one, because this charges your alternator, and it also powers the fan in the back that cools your engine, and you do not want your engine overheating. This falls off or breaks, your engine's gonna overheat super fast, and you don't want to kill your engine. So now, how to tighten it or loosen it. So if you notice, there is a slant on here and on here. And what the shims do is, if you have more shims, it pulls the pulley away, which means that it can ride looser. But if you have less shims, then it pushes it closer, which means it rides up more, which means it's tightened. Which means that if you have a super loose belt, try removing 2 shims and then give it a try. If your belt is still good but loose, try removing 2 shims. Okay, yeah, just pull the belt up while you push that on. Extra shims. And that. Then finally the nut. And then for now, just start tightening it. But you want to make sure that you rotate it every once in a while, because you don't want it cinched down on just one side. So just turn it a couple times just to get it kind of tight. As you can see, it's not moving, so we are tightening it down. There we go. No, it's not stuck, so it is going down evenly. Hook it on the notch. And now just start to tighten it. Do a little. Then just rotate it a little to make sure that your belt is still free. Just like that. Screwdriver. Tighten it down until it gets into the slot. Doesn't need to be super tight, but you don't want it falling off, so just get it pretty tight, but you don't need it so tight that you're just stripping out. There we go. should be good. Just make sure you rotate it. Make sure it's not locked up. Turns easily. Just do a visual check, just make sure that it isn't like this. It's super slanted, just make sure that it looks good. Because you don't want it, also you don't want it super tight, or it will put stress on the bearings inside this. So you want it, you don't want to be able to turn it more than this. More than about that. And this is about good. This is about how much you want. So that is good. I have it in gear right now, so it's not spinning. Let me take it out of gear, and then it should be turning over for the most part from here. Okay, I took it out of gear, so yeah, perfect. It's just about what you want. And you can feel the compression. Oh, there we go, yeah. And as you can see, it is nice and smooth. What you don't want to see is that light on right there. That is your generator light, which means that that is just not spinning and not charging properly, which means that you are probably not spinning fast enough, which means you're not cooling your engine correctly. And you want to, whenever you turn your key to the on position, you want to make sure that you have your oil pressure and your generator light on. If you guys don't have that on, I can make a quick video of how I fixed mine. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Y'all have a great day. Bye.